Grab his suit and tie, had to do it to him. I ain't giving all my time to a goofy nigga.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Diggy 5 Vince, and look, we finna rank these fucking rappers. We got the homies up in here, man. We got a cool 9 people up in here.
We
so
dying. Mama dying.
All right, so look. All right, look. First rapper, we got Ocho Drippin'. Where we putting him at?
Oh man, D.
Ocho Drippin'.
D. Who's
Ocho? That nigga go at?
Where everybody? What we
D.
doing?
Ocho. I don't even know who that D.
Real bitch really fuck it up. Fuck it up.
I don't know.
I'm promoting.
What is
He gotta be a D.
A D?
Yeah, put him down there. Yeah, put him like
D.
D.
Niggas that we don't know they D.
D plus.
So what is
F?
I know him.
All right.
F is horrible.
All right. Rucci.
C.
Rucci
get a.
Nah,
Rucci get a.
hey,
I get Rucci get a C.
No.
You can go B.
Rucci hard.
Rucci get a C plus.
He get a C. He get a C.
He get a
I
B.
ain't gonna lie, I give him a B. I give him a B.
Bro, yeah. Top.
He gonna get a high C.
Bro, he a B.
Nigga, hey, gang.
Ocho on air.
He a B.
He a B.
All right, RJ, Mr. LA.
Man, put Ocho at
D.
F.
RJ.
Are you ranking these niggas like back when they
RJ at
E?
D.
He got A.
Bro, he is not under Ocho.
He passed Ocho, man.
He on the
He a B. He a B.
I'll give RJ.
All right.
What chair is that, Ron?
RJ a C?
I thought that was good. No bullshit.
I give RJ
He a B for sure, bro.
crazy.
Rucci better than RJ.
Yeah, for sure. He a C. All right. Listen. Go get a KB.
Oh, he gotta go to
D.
No, I give shit hard.
F. My nigga fucked up.
D. Give bro D.
No, I ain't gonna lie. Give him a C.
He got more hits. He not right there with RJ, Mr. LA. He not. We gotta bump him to E and put him in the D then.
Yeah. No, he did it right. He did it right, bro. We don't know Ocho.
For sure, right?
Everybody know Ocho song.
Ocho got one song. Go get a KB. Got a couple of songs everybody know.
No, nigga. Ocho probably more famous.
KB. Go get a KB. Got
so he a D or what? He a D. This is good. Y'all good with this, right? Y'all good with this?
Yeah.
All right. We moving on. 03 Greedo. I say he S tier for sure. S tier. We ain't gonna even.
That's a scholar.
You didn't reach his full potential.
Hey, he got millions and millions. We ain't gonna talk about it.
Hey, this shit confused.
Wait, he an A or S?
A.
All right, he A then.
Hey,
all right. Bino right up.
C. Yeah, C.
He can't get no
B.
Bro, he better. B. All right.
You gonna lie? He cannot be on the same level as Greedo.
Yeah,
for sure.
Don't ever do that.
All right, Blueface. A for sure. A for sure, bro.
That nigga get a C.
You gotta do one mic.
All right, y'all calm down.
Wait, hold on.
That boy a E.
Listen. This is
You
what
gotta go down the list.
I say we bump niggas down and put him B. I said this is what we do.
Right.
Boom.
Nah, hold on.
About that.
Hell no.
Nah. Put it back how it was.
All right, put it back how it was.
Go Blueface up and
Bro,
then
you had it good, bro.
Yeah, right there. That's good right there. Now put him one down.
Nah, that's good. The way you got it is good.
Like this?
I feel like Go Get a KB and the nigga in the red should be on the same level though. No cap. Ocho and Go Get a KB for sure.
Ocho got one song. Go Get a KB. He got like 2-3.
Go get. He got at least 2
like
songs.
Yeah, 2-3.
Ocho, one song is booming way more than Go Get a.
You right.
What song is it? Because I never heard of it. What song is it?
You right. That fuck it up with viral though. I ain't gonna lie. All right, look, Blueface, y'all cool with him being A or B? B.
Hey.
I don't need an A.
Yeah, he an A, bro. He an A. Look up his music. Bro, he got 100 million on one of his songs, bro. Come on now.
Bro, it's
Come on now.
Bro,
A,
you
bro.
can't
He
give
an
niggas
A.
A's that are getting maxed out by their girl on the internet
Wait,
every
hold
week.
on, hold on,
Bro,
bro.
yes,
Hold on.
No, what?
That's
That
me.
ain't got nothing to do with
What do you
that.
mean?
Yes, it does. Yes, it
That ain't got
does.
nothing to do with that.
All right. Look. We gonna leave him A, man. We already know this S
That
tier.
nigga
S tier.
S,
S tier.
S.
We ain't gonna even. We ain't gonna even.
Oh, I didn't do him at the
All
top.
right, YS. What we doing with Cuz?
Wait.
Give YS a C. Give
He a
YS a
C.
C.
He a C. I ain't gonna lie. He a C.
YSC.
YS hard though.
Yeah, he hard. He really hard.
He really a
But
B.
we-
He
so
not.
look, we
He
going
not
on-
RJ Mr. LA
he a
level.
C.
He is not RJ Mr. LA level. He's not RJ Mr. LA level. Come on now, bro.
No. He a C. He
He's
a C.
not
That
RJ.
nigga Mr. LA, bro.
Yeah, true.
Exactly.
All right, if you gonna put it like that,
All
he a
right.
B.
Man, don't call him
We
Mr.
gonna put it
LA.
like that,
All
he a
right,
B.
all right. We know who Mr. LA really is, though. All right, so
Will
look.
Mr. LA.
So YS, bro, he gotta
All right,
be.
so all right, we gonna say the D class is the niggas that's like hard, but we got all right.
Y'all
we got
going
too
off
many
of
Yeah.
songs.
niggas actually rapping,
gotta
and
see
y'all
more
just
from
going
them.
off
We
of
gotta see
niggas, how big niggas is.
How big?
Yeah, that's what I
Yeah,
gotta
right
say.
now.
Yeah.
Like
Cause
right
nigga,
now.
if you going off niggas rapping, bro, nigga, Blueface don't need to be up there. A
You know what I'm saying?
nigga, Reno need to be at S.
But if
Reno need to be
Nah,
at S. If we going by niggas
This
rapping
not
for real.
rapping. This like big stars in LA. I feel
Okay,
like
okay,
this,
talking about
okay.
charts.
I got you.
this
I
is
got
like a
you, I
good
got
chart for niggas who like
Okay.
big and who made like
Type
impact.
This
shit.
gonna be
on
the
LA,
official one. That nigga.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right
yeah.
now.
Let's go. All right, let's
All right,
go.
all right. For Frosty the Snowman.
C.
I give him a D.
Nah, he a B. He up there with B.
He a B,
He up there
bro.
with
He
B.
got enough.
He a A.
I feel like he a C. I feel like he a C.
He a
He a B, bro.
You're
He a
stupid,
B.
bro.
Yeah, B.
I'm gonna tell you.
C. I feel like he a C, bro.
He
I
a
feel like
C,
he
bro. He a
smooth.
C. He's
That's
not
what
right
I'm
there
saying.
with Rucci and Bino. Not right now.
Bro, he gotta be up there with at least Rucci.
Can't be up there with Bino.
Nah. He not up there with Bino right now.
So wait,
Y'all
Bino
dumb.
at B? Y'all put Bino at?
Bro.
Give him a
I
C.
thought that nigga.
He a C, bro. He a C, bro. He a C.
Nah, I
All
don't
right,
believe
the
that.
OTM boys.
Them niggas F.
E, nigga.
Put them
E.
niggas up there.
F.
F.
Nah, they E.
Come on, man. Honest opinion, bro. Honest opinion,
No, they
bro.
got fans. They got
Come on, honest opinion. Honest
Man,
opinion.
I never
Honest
heard
opinion, bro. They got
E.
they got fan base, but
got
put them at an
fans.
E. Put them at an E.
E.
Yep.
E.
That's all right.
A,
I
everybody.
never heard of them.
Yep.
niggas.
E.
Hardy.
We just
All right. Problem.
This video not look.
Problem.
This video not personal.
B.
Like it's just off of like you
Nah,
see me
C,
these
C,
niggas busting or not.
C.
I
Problem.
feel like we should bump down
D.
one from B and put him at
Problem
B.
of
No,
what?
put problem at a C because he at C with RJ because they both fell off.
Yeah. He had a good impact.
Because they both fell off.
They both fell off.
Now fall off.
All right, Kelly for real.
Crazy.
Kelly for real.
That nigga up there, he like a B.
He a B, definitely.
A B.
Yes,
C. I feel like a C.
What? Hell no.
Nigga, if
No
he not
cap?
a B, he a A. If he not a B,
No
he a
cap?
A then. Fuck it.
I ain't gonna
feel
lie.
like-
Come on, bro.
All the bitches play him.
We gotta redo this.
Yeah, bro. He
No,
A
he
for
not. He
sure,
not. He
bro.
not.
Galen above Bino.
Hey, look,
No, he not. He not. All
We
right,
gotta
all
do
right.
this with less
Ace.
niggas.
Ace,
Nah,
I'm not gonna lie
that's
with y'all.
good.
Look,
That
Ace,
one is
you
good.
look keep fucking it up, bro.
How?
I mean,
Look, gang, them niggas gotta go up top. Bino and Kalen gotta go to the A. I'm not gonna lie.
How?
Or Rucci gotta get down, bro.
Bino definitely should
Rucci
be
gotta
an
get
A.
down. They gotta go up, or Rucci gotta get down.
Man, Rucci gotta go down, man. Rucci
Crazy
ain't up
if
there
y'all-
with them.
Oh God, if y'all said Rucci in the same category as
Oh yeah,
Kalen
Rucci
and
go down
Bino,
there. Yeah, Rucci go down there. Rucci go down.
Yeah, for sure. I'll
Yeah,
give
But
that-
problem,
that look
see?
better. That look better. That look better. That look better. The whole list look
RJ?
better than.
We'll have to go up, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
RJ got to
Look at
go
the
up.
list.
Then. Yep, RJ got to go up. And Problem
I
got to
don't
go
think
up.
so, bro. I feel like RJ put
no,
right there,
problem ain't
bro.
going
No,
up.
RJ
no.
right
Good
there.
at C. Good at
All
C.
right,
I think RJ still
RJ
at a
gotta
C.
stay.
Anybody can bang RJ shit. I ain't gonna lie.
C.
Anybody can bang
Fuck
RJ
yeah,
shit in
yeah.
LA. Come on now, let's put
You
respect
right.
on his name. Put
You
some
right.
respect on his name.
You right though.
All right,
No
all right,
cap. If he still got shit that people still play to this day.
all right. D3.
Oh,
Man,
E.
E.
That's an E.
I
He
ain't
got a
never heard of
song
some
with
dude.
he got a song with Lil Wayne and all them though.
E.
I don't give a fuck. Fuck Lil Wayne.
E. Not B. E, nigga.
Oh, E.
Give him an E. Man, give him
All
an
right,
E.
E for elephant.
E for
all right. We got Rambo.
Rambo, he
Rambo
up
like,
there.
Rambo get a
C.
Rambo get a C, man.
C.
C.
like
Rambo
a
get a
C.
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 Rambo get a Rambo a C.
He a BC. BC.
Like,
Nah, he a
yeah,
C,
cause
man.
Rambo,
He's a C.
I
He's
ain't gonna
a C.
lie.
For sure.
Rambo kind of, we gonna say he a
Impact
C.
wise though,
Just 'cause he got shit.
He
with
ain't did
what's his
enough.
name.
He got out there. He
He
got out there.
ain't did enough either.
Bro,
But he
he
went
he
crazy. He
Hey, I ain't
went
gonna lie.
went crazy though.
To us, Rambo like a one hit wonder. I ain't gonna lie.
He had a good
ain't
run.
I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
Rambo
Everybody
got a
copied
couple hits, man. Rambo got a couple hits.
Everybody
Bro.
tried to copy that little shit that he was on.
All right, let's get on track. Let's go track. J-Rock.
B.
At the
I give him a B.
B. A
I
B.
ain't
man,
giving
S,
I give him an
bro.
E.
S.
I give him
Who's
an
that?
E.
S.
Oh,
I
he's
give him
a
an
real
E.
LA artist, bro.
Yeah,
Come
he
on.
What does that
definitely
mean?
He
A,
like
A or B? A or B?
He
A
a
or
give him
B.
a C.
Give him
Nah,
a
I
B.
give him a C.
Nah,
I give him a
he
C,
definitely up there.
B, C,
Yeah,
A.
B,
he in
B,
A.
bro. He put in work.
B.
Fuck y'all
B.
talking
Come
about.
on, bro. I know
He's
who
B.
talking about C for that nigga.
B. Put
Me
respect on
That
his
nigga's
name.
crazy,
Why did
bro.
not just put him in the same category as Kalen them?
Y'all
Nah, he ain't in the
dumb.
same category as Kalen,
Y'all
bro.
need
Come
to
on now.
redo that.
So
shit,
what
bro.
we
Man,
saying?
that nigga is bigger than
We
all them
look.
niggas. Oh God.
We saying all time or like bumping right now? What we
Hey.
doing?
That's what
Man.
I'm trying to figure out.
Right
What
now,
y'all
right
on?
now,
Y'all
right now,
on
right now, right now.
He a A.
Y'all said y'all put that nigga in the category as RJ. Come on, be real.
Yeah,
Be
true.
real. He said.
That nigga,
All right,
If
so we
that's
throwing
big
him down
dog,
here, then and put him right
RJ supposed
here.
to be down there, bro. Yeah, nigga.
Nah, bro. I feel like
Yes.
No,
I
y'all
say
did. I
C.
don't
I
know.
feel like J
Y'all
Rock
some
should move
LA
up
niggas.
then.
Y'all
J
know for
Rock should
real,
man,
move
bro.
Hey,
put,
up.
I ain't
man.
gonna
don't
lie,
y'all
bro.
put J Rock
Hey,
on
hold
I'm
on,
gonna
hold
that
let
on.
y'all
nigga.
J
got
Rock
y'all
should
I need
got
to
move
that
let
up.
shit
I
for
need to
real.
let each person talk though, cause everybody talk at the same
All right,
time.
one person
God.
talk. One person. Go ahead.
J
I
Rock should
just
move
be
up, bro.
quiet.
That look good.
This perfect.
Yeah, that look good.
I
All
see who
right.
next though. We
All
know where we
right.
put
All
him
right.
at.
Jabalo, he locked up right now. Free
E.
that man.
E. Yo, Ozzy, stop smoking.
Yes.
That
That
nigga
nigga
Jabalo for
Jabalo?
sure like a
He
D.
right here, bro. He
Yeah, like
right
a
What
here,
the
D.
bro.
fuck you smoking,
He right
Ozzy?
here,
That nigga,
bro. He not the
I
same.
got
that
shit.
nigga
I
E.
got shit with that nigga. I
He's
know
an
where he
E
at.
for
That nigga E.
elephant.
He got a couple of good
He's
songs.
an E, exactly, Ron. Tell them niggas.
He look like a
Bro, he
Chewbacca.
right there, bro. He a D, bro. He a D.
All right, we gonna let y'all.
All right,
Y'all got
Stephen
it.
G.
He up
D.
there with Bino now.
D.
Okay.
Never seen, bro.
Nah,
I ain't never
nah,
seen, bro.
D.
Hey,
So
bro,
that
that
ain't
nigga A, bro.
nah.
Elephant,
He like
He
bro.
A.
right
Y'all
here. He a
dumb. He
C,
a
bro.
Oh
B.
God.
He a
Yes,
C,
all
bro.
right.
He a
I give
C,
him
Put
an
him
A.
in
bro.
C.
He a C, bro. Straight up.
Bro,
his
how y'all
name?
gonna put him down there, Stephen G, bro? How y'all gonna put him in a C and not B? If I don't know, y'all got it.
He not up there with Kaylin, RJ, and Bino,
Y'all
bro.
got
He
it,
ain't. He
bro.
ain't that. He ain't
Come
that
on
big.
now.
Nah,
Bro,
he ain't up there
bro,
yet.
He a
all the
C.
bitches listen to
Oh,
that
shit.
nigga, bro. Every bitch
So
that I
what?
knew
Not
listen
the
to that
nigga.
nigga, bro. All
Not
right,
the nigga.
all right. Next rapper,
All right, Phoenix Flexing. Where we putting Cuz?
a
My
B.
Man.
nigga up there in the
He's a
B.
C.
My nigga up there in the
A
B.
B.
He in a
B.
B. He had a
I
B.
give him
Man,
a
put
C.
Stop
him
dick
in
riding.
C.
I
Stop
ain't
dick
gonna
riding for
lie.
He
placements.
big.
Stop dick riding for
He a
placements.
B.
Stop
I ain't
dick
gonna
riding
lie,
for
he should be
placements.
up there
He
with
like a
Greedo
B.
and them.
He like a
He's a
B.
Cause
B.
that's
He's like a
shoreline. That's
B.
If that
shoreline.
That
nigga
nigga's
just say
B.
He a
Greedo,
B.
hell no.
No,
He not up
bro.
there
He a
with
B.
Greedo. He
No,
not
he a
up there
B.
with.
He
He
a
not
B.
up there
He
with
a
Greedo.
B. He a B. He a B.
Man, put him at
B.
C.
Yeah, all the
That
Mexicans,
nigga at
B.
C.
all the
Bro, he
Mexicans
had
bump him,
that.
bro. All the
No,
Mexicans
Beast
bump
mode.
him.
I want
All the
niggas in
Mexicans,
here that
Bump
ain't
that
put
nigga.
all the
Greedo
Yeah,
Mexicans
yeah,
bump
yeah,
at
yeah, yeah.
him
C.
for
I
sure.
speak for the Mexicans.
All
They all
right,
slapping that nigga, bro.
Asia.
D.
I get a
E.
C.
E.
A
D.
C or D.
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 I
I don't know what
know,
AJ
I know
is. He
one
had a B.
song. She right here.
CRD.
She a D. She a D, bro.
I ain't even heard of her.
All
I
right,
ain't gonna lie.
That's that
YG.
one bitch
YG.
that.
F
No,
F
A.
F
Hey,
F
hey, he
F.
a
Come on,
A.
bro.
S.
Come
Yeah,
on,
that's
S.
an
bro.
A
Hey,
too.
S.
gang.
Come on,
hey,
bro.
hey,
S.
hold on, hold
Come
on,
on,
hold on, hold
bro.
on, hold on.
He's
We
a
not
A.
even
Hold
gonna
on,
do
hold
that.
on.
No,
Put
no,
him
hold
at
on,
We
hold
ain't
S.
on.
gonna do
Put him
that.
at A,
S,
bro. Put
bro.
him at
S,
A.
bro.
You can't even put him right
Stop
there.
Don't
doing
get no
that,
fucking
bro.
S, man.
You
Don't
can't
come
Can't
do
on
even
with
put
no
him
that.
right
S.
Stop
there.
playing, bro. He's an A.
And they can't
Fuck
look
him
at
in
it.
the
And they
S.
can't even do
S.
that with a
Yeah,
straight
he
face.
ain't. He ain't.
Don't
He
do that.
ain't.
They can't
Hey,
even
we
do
gonna leave
that
it
with a
alone.
straight face,
We
Why'd you
we
get
gonna
an
leave
A?
it alone.
Why'd
He
you
get
get an
alone.
A?
Why'd you get A for sure. All right, no.
Me, I gotta turn my camera on, Kayla. They tripping.
Man, D.
Deal, nigga.
Why you
D,
waiting for the
Yeah, D.
Yeah, he
That nigga look Ethiopian, bro. Don't do that, Dennis. Look at him.
G Perico.
That nigga said.
Menace
G
look
Perico.
like a
That
tweaked
nigga
out
beat
21.
You good,
I'll
kid?
give
Hey.
G a
Damn, how many niggas in here now, cuz?
Hey, Ron Menace, kick some of these niggas out, bro.
What the fuck?
Kick some of these niggas out of here.
alone.
Niggas can't be quiet and niggas talking about bullshit. Kick niggas out, bro. Or mute your mic.
All right, yeah.
All right, come on, let's go, y'all.
All right, look.
Hold
G
on.
Perico, where you finna come?
Who's that? Who's that?
Hey, hold on. I
G
ain't gonna lie, you gotta
Perico.
restart it.
Oh,
Not like
Perico get a B.
He a B.
he a B for
B.
sure. You gotta let niggas know what we doing, bro. 'Cause a lot of people don't know
Hey,
what we
All
doing.
hey,
right,
nigga, we gonna do this shit over at the Airbnb.
All right, look, listen. What we doing is we putting each artist on a tier list all time or a bumper right now. It really don't matter. To put everything together, we're
All
just trying to
time.
figure out.
It might as well be all time.
Yeah,
'Cause,
all
like,
time.
It's different artists.
All time what they done, if they making good music, if they did, like Rambo made some good music, but we gonna put him C because he haven't done enough. But he made some good music. You
Yeah,
hear me?
he ain't done enough.
D is for niggas that made a couple of hits and then went ghost.
Ain't done enough.
Ain't done enough. E is
Like
like niggas that got so many views but nobody know them.
Yeah.
When you break it down like that, it's a lot more.
Yeah.
It's a lot more. All right.
That
All
was
right.
better. That was
There's a
better.
lot of
Roddy Rich, S
Roddy
tier, S tier.
No, you
Roddy don't get no A tier, man.
Hey,
Have to leave for the box that album, the whole album. Who got an album though?
Nah, yeah, Roddy Rich.
Roddy Rich got an S, bro.
Hey,
He got an S tier.
hey.
Album, whole album was
Hey, do you
good.
listen-
Whole
hey,
album
you
was
I ain't gonna lie.
good.
Look, listen,
Oh
y'all.
yeah. That
Let Ryan talk. Let Ryan
The rest is
talk.
trash, though.
like you a producer and you saying this nigga don't belong on S. I'm confused.
After the
Nah,
first
he
album, the
hard.
rest of his
I
albums
just
are
have to
trash.
remember what
So
he was.
all right. So Roddy A or S? Roddy S or
Yeah,
A?
he S.
He S. All right. All right.
So
All
loud.
right. Calm down. All right, look, come on. We got the Baby Stone Gorillas.
Look,
C.
C.
A D, bro.
So this nigga just
What we
said
doing?
D.
D.
Who the fuck just said D?
Key.
Me
So
and Ryan
niggas,
said
so
D.
niggas not bumping Baby Stone Gorillas. Come on now,
They
bro.
are,
Fuck
bro.
that team, bro.
C.
They
They not
Talking
going.
about all
They still got
time.
shit to prove,
They
bro.
not up
They
there
still
with
got shit
Frosty
to
and them,
prove.
bro.
I'll put them a
They still
C.
got-
bro.
I'll put them a C. They got hits. They got
They not
millions.
up there with Frosty and
They got a
Nah.
C. They got a C, bro.
Bro.
Yes, they is, bro. Come on,
Bro.
No, they not.
So where they
Bro,
at?
nah,
Where y'all
Up
putting
there
them?
with them, though. They ain't up there with them.
They up there with Frosty,
Bro,
bro.
put
He
them
ain't
at
up there
D,
with
bro.
Frosty. They
Y'all
at D.
niggas
Bro, they
crazy.
better than KB and all them niggas, bro. They better than all them D's, bro. Come on now,
Bro, they
bro.
like the same though,
Okay,
bro.
No, they-
listen, y'all. Listen.
Go.
They don't have enough yet, bro.
Yeah.
They
impact.
up there.
What
They
you
up
talking
there, but they don't have enough yet to prove that they're.
All right. So
at
everybody
C class.
agree
That's
like
D.
a
gonna
nigga-
stay.
That's
Everybody
like
agree,
Blue Buds
D?
clan. All right,
They ain't
look.
proved that they're gonna
All
stay
right, look,
around.
gang. That's like the Blue Buds clan saying, "Oh yeah, we up there with Shoreline, huh?"
True.
Nigga,
Huh?
exactly.
True.
So why is it?
All right.
All
They
supposed to be
That's
in
why we
D.
discussing this.
They supposed to be in D.
That's why we
That's
discussing
what I
this.
said.
That's why we
That's what I
discussing
said.
this. That's why we discussing this. All right. S tier. S tier. We ain't gonna even talk about it.
Yup.
Man, this
Talk
nigga
about it.
Yup.
I don't give a fuck where he from.
Matter of
That's a
fact,
S.
put him in front. Put him in
All
front.
right. Cucur Leon.
Put him in number
that?
one.
Oh, that nigga like a
I ain't gonna
Man,
lie,
put
bro.
him
He
at
E.
D.
Too hard.
E. Yeah,
He
he
E.
E.
All right.
He hard,
E.
but he ain't. You feel me?
Yeah,
Nobody
gotta-
really like listen
Yeah,
to him.
E.
Yeah, he ain't no nigga like
He
that.
really hard though. Cool hard.
Yeah, he really hard. All right. Look.
Y'all
Wait, who is
Put him
this?
at D.
Who is this?
Y'all could have put him
Oh,
in D.
Compton AV.
I ain't gonna lie.
Compton
Nigga been rapping for years.
He a
AV fell
B.
off.
He a B.
AV fell off.
But nah, it's about who did what they did for LA, bro. He a B.
Oh,
bro.
what they did? Yeah, he
No
a B.
cap.
Yeah.
He
Run me
a
my
B?
money. Run me
A
my money.
B? Hell
I ain't
no.
gonna lie.
Hell no.
Is he not up there with
Hell
Roddy?
no.
C. I'll put him at C.
Hell no. I'll put him at
C.
C.
I'll put him at
He better than
D.
Rambo. He better than
Wow,
Rambo.
y'all
He like a D. He like a
That disrespecting that man, bro. You know how long he's been around? You know how long he's been
C.
around? You know how much
True.
Give him a C. Give him a
We
C.
is doing
bro.
all
Yeah,
time.
C.
We is doing all
Give
time,
him a
bro.
No, he not there with Rambo and all them though, bro. He
Yes,
not
he
there.
He
what?
better than Rambo. He
No.
better than Rambo, bro. For
Oh,
sure
hey,
better than
D
Rambo.
can't be the leader, bro.
All
He can't be
right.
Nigga, I'm not gonna lie with you,
He
bro.
not even
a
If we
C,
talking
bro. He
all
bigger
time,
than-
Look, we trying to figure this out. We trying to figure
with C.
So
Nah,
he a
he
C?
is C.
He a C?
He up
He a
there with
C?
C.
Yes, C.
He a C?
Yeah, he's
All right.
way bigger than Frosty
All
and all
right,
them.
all right. This money nigga. This money nigga.
He is, but
This
he
money
not
nigga.
though.
This money
It's
nigga.
like they around the same category.
He
Still,
like a
gang.
D. He a D.
He a D.
D.
He go first.
Yeah, he a D. Sweat a D. He hard though. I fuck with bro, but he a D because he ain't did that much.
Oh, I think this is Heen. Everybody in high school playing this little
He
nigga.
Beezy.
Yeah.
He ain't did that much.
I
He
give
a
him
D.
an E. Give him an E.
Yeah, E. Yeah, he eat because he only got one song.
He only
that I
got
ain't
one
heard.
song. He only got one song.
I never heard of his
All
song
right.
before.
Elephant.
That Face No Book. I was playing it. You like it, nigga? You know it.
Yeah, that shit hard.
All right.
That shit hard.
True car.
Yeah, from the later.
A D. We be in the crib. We outside. I did put it up.
I like it when I see.
A D. Give him a D. Give him a
A
D.
D.
Yeah, D.
Yeah, D.
A D.
I'm telling you, I already know what niggas is. You might have to make them pictures smaller, gang.
All right, Casey Veggies, gang.
He a solid B, bro.
He a solid
was
B.
He a E.
back in the
He a E.
early 2010s.
Nigga got one head.
He a B.
He a B.
Y'all tripping. He's like
Y'all
a B.
tripping,
Yes,
bro.
yeah,
At
at
least
least C.
Like,
At least
right,
C.
he's definitely a B,
At least
bro.
a C.
Everybody
Yeah,
in the
at least.
2010s was bumping
A C?
Casey Veggies, bro.
Niggas was bumping
Niggas was bumping
Niggas-
Casey, bro.
Yeah,
Casey
he
put
a
on
C.
for the city, bro.
He
He
a
put on for
C.
the
All
city.
right, he a C. He
He'll
a
say that
C.
a C.
He a
Y'all
C.
nigga got the B and the
Beano
C.
right up.
The
I mean,
and
Blast,
the E
Blast.
confused.
Blast.
Blast.
S tier, A tier, what?
A tier. A tier.
I'll give him a B.
A tier.
I'll give him a B. I'll give him a B.
He going
A
TikTok
tier.
crazy
Oh
though.
yeah,
Yeah,
no. Put him back to
A
B.
tier. Oh,
Nah,
B.
put him to
B.
B.
Hell
B.
no.
A tier.
B.
A tier.
Bro,
for sure.
Blast.
A tier, Blast.
Blast is going
Blast
straight.
Blast.
wherever Bino is, man. Blast gotta go
Wherever
wherever Bino
Bino
is.
Hell no.
bro.
Blast
Where
better than
Bino-
Bino. Blast better than Bino and
It's not
Caleb.
about who's
Nah,
best,
y'all
bro.
got
It's
it.
not-
Hey,
Bro, it's not about
man,
who's
if you don't
best.
put that
It's
nigga
not about
Blast
who's
on B,
best. It's not
Exactly.
about
All
who's
right,
best.
all right.
Blast,
Hey,
bro.
look. If more people say
Y'all
it, then that's
niggas
what we going
tweaking.
for. If more niggas say it, that's what we gonna do then. All right, man. Damn. Chill.
Chill.
All right, Big Sad.
Big Sad. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck with
D.
D.
I'll give bro a E. A
C?
E.
Damn, I said D, but yeah, he ain't
bro,
did that
give
much.
him a
He
D.
A D.
I think it's
No.
He working though, bro. He working
Nah,
though,
we doing this shit right. He E, bro. Put him on E.
bro. All right.
He E. No cap.
Cause I know, bro. Bro,
He E.
everybody
I mean,
don't
he
know
did that much.
that yet, bro.
He-
Everybody,
yeah, he not that
just,
ringing.
Just now, everybody just now starting to know.
He
Big
hard,
Sad,
though.
bro.
All right. Let's move forward.
Yeah,
All right, look.
Hey,
All right, look.
One mic.
One mic. Chill. All right. Look. Ashlight.
That's right.
That's tight.
He a C. He a C.
A D.
He a
What
C.
type?
He a C,
Man,
my
if you don't
nigga.
put that nigga at the F, he the first
He a
nigga with
C.
an F.
No, he in
First
C.
F.
Nah, he not
Yeah,
ass,
D.
bro. He not
We
ass.
ain't gonna do that.
Bro, he's a
He in
C.
D
He was
class.
fucking.
Yeah, you right. You right.
Come on, bro.
All right.
You gotta keep it on me.
Blue Bucks.
Blue Bucks.
D.
D. D.
C.
D, man.
C. Nah, C.
Bro,
C.
B, they on the
A
C.
C.
Damn, bro. Come
No,
on, bro.
what?
C.
Bro,
They not that
B. I
big.
think
Bro, go to
B.
C, bro.
Hell no.
Drake just co-signed.
B.
Blue Bucks is playing
I
out
bump
here
them every
really
day.
heavy,
I bump
bro.
them every day.
They
Every
bro,
day, B.
Bino,
Every day, B.
B.
They a B.
Bro, C.
Get the fuck out of here. They a B, bitch ass nigga.
Booming that much. They the
B.
B, bro.
B.
Nigga, that's on my soul. They a B, nigga.
bro.
They a B, nigga.
A D.
I guess.
I don't give a fuck what a nigga talking about.
They
Like
C,
that was
though.
a C. I ain't
Hold him
gonna
at a
lie.
B.
That's a
Man, go
C.
to the next one.
All right,
Go to the
B
next
or C,
one.
what we doing? Yeah, they're B. They're
Next
B.
one.
Man, go to the
Next
next
one.
one.
Johnny Rose. Johnny Rose.
Man,
C.
D.
Free Johnny
That
Rose.
nigga E.
F.
He get an F. He get an F, bro.
Hey.
Cause he only
That's
got
the
one
first
song.
nigga with a
Bro, all right, look. One mic. Johnny Rose got on SoundCloud got three or four songs that got millions of views. I'm gonna just say that.
He a D. He a D.
He said
D.
SoundCloud,
He
nigga.
a E. He a E.
Johnny Rose.
He
Man,
a
if you
E.
don't put that man at D,
He a E. He a E.
I ain't gonna lie, that's an
E.
F.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you're not gonna give him an
One
F,
song.
give him
Not
an
bigger
E.
than. He not going crazier than Sad. Come on.
Johnny
bro.
Rose had
That's a-
potential, but
Come on, bro.
he blew it.
Yeah, he in jail
Bro,
right now.
that's
He in
an
jail
F.
right now.
Y'all
He
niggas
in
is tweaking.
jail, though,
What
bro.
type of impact did he do? Like,
He got more impact than Coop though.
I fuck with Coop more. I don't know. But
Yeah, so they in the
Just
same
leave him.
area.
Just
They in
leave
the
him
same
right there.
area.
Just leave
You're on
him
the
right
same
there.
page.
And he in the same page with these niggas, bro.
All right,
I
just
mean,
leave him.
F
Just
gotta
leave
be
him.
bad.
What is F? What is
F
F?
is failure.
Nigga horrible.
Failure.
Nigga the worst.
Ah, okay,
Failure. All right, look, we got Spank Nitty.
What did F ever
Big
been?
nitty, he hard.
put him
Thank
D.
you.
D.
D, nobody
He
really
gotta
know.
work.
He a C.
Thank
Nobody
God.
really know him
D,
though.
bro.
He a
But he
D,
known
bro.
in the IE. He known in the
C,
IE,
bro.
nigga.
No, he
He
had
know.
He ain't known in
He
the
had
city though. He ain't
All
known in
that
the city
dick
though.
riding, give him a D.
Yeah, D. Shut up. Hey, shut up, nigga.
Wait, did you see his face when he did it? Oh, that dick ready? Give him a D.
No, man is tweaking.
All right. Look, Ralphie.
Menace, you need to change the light in
Ralphie
your room.
Man,
definitely
give him a
Yeah.
F.
Oh.
On my kids, give him an F.
Wait, now y'all tripping, bro. Y'all tripping.
Menace.
Y'all tripping.
Yeah,
Y'all tripping, bro. Y'all tripping.
He get a C,
He
bro.
get a C, bro.
A
Straight
C.
up. He was
A C?
man. He get a
A D.
C.
They get a D.
Ralphie song.
Hitchhiker.
That monkey
That's the only
song.
one.
That
That's the one
monkey
everybody
song,
knows.
nigga. That monkey song, nigga.
Yeah.
You don't even know the
He get a
song.
D. He
I don't
a
know
D.
no Ralphie song.
D
I
or
feel like
E?
Ralphie
D or
is a
E?
D. I feel like
Respectfully.
Ralphie a D.
Ralphie a D. All right.
Respectfully.
All right. Ralphie a D. Ralphie a D.
Respectfully a D.
Ralphie a D. All right. Y'all calm down. Calm down. Everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. All right. We got DW Flame. DW Flame.
Man,
Yeah,
I ain't heard of
He
him.
like an ED. He like an ED. For sure.
E. E.
Put
mean,
him in
E.
the middle of
E.
E.
My bad, E. For
Oh,
sure, E.
God. Put him in the middle.
For sure, E. My bad.
Per shift and then highlight all of them. Hold shift and then click all the pictures.
Make them the same size.
Make them the same size.
Wait, you said per shift and then we do what?
Click each picture.
And then do what?
Keep hold shift and keep.
It low key kind of look good like that though.
Yeah, it look kind of
Yeah.
good like that. I like it.
It look
like,
kind of
like
good. It
moving
look
like
kind of
that.
good.
But it might not fit all the
I'll get
rappers.
Then what?
Not gonna-
Then what?
So you can fit it. So you can fit it. Make it smaller.
Oh, okay. Damn, nigga, you use this website, huh?
Nah, I just
Nigga,
know
that's
'cause,
how you use it.
A
Computer.
rating.
That's small
Nigga.
as shit. I like the way it was. I
Yo,
ain't gonna
Menace.
lie.
I think you make that shit too small.
Make it
Oh
blue,
man, I
Nigga,
didn't
I'm a
connect with
blood.
them
Nigga, don't ever
bitches.
disrespect me like that, nigga.
Just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it.
All right, just leave it.
Big
Just
crit.
leave it. If I fuck it up.
Yeah,
All right,
leave it,
all right,
leave
all
it.
right, all right. We got Compton STG.
He down there. He down there with the nigga that y'all just posted.
DW Flame.
Yeah, he
DW
down there with
Flame.
him.
Right.
He down there with the. He down there with the buff nigga, y'all.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. If he wasn't in jail,
Nah,
he'd
he-
be a little bit bigger.
Yeah, he'll be a little bit bigger.
But,
I
yeah.
would say D. I
He-
would say D. I ain't gonna lie. 'Cause
Just
he
leave him
low-
where he
Yeah,
at.
he do be
Yeah.
going D or E, man.
Nah,
D or
nah,
E, man.
E, bro. Stop doing
We can't.
shit.
We can't do that. On me,
Nah,
we
he is
can't.
good. He is good. He is good. He is good.
All
You
right.
can't see his
All
picture.
right. All right. AMBJ.
And BJ.
That nigga.
They got some. ABJ
Wait,
had a
wait,
pop
wait,
song.
wait, wait.
Uno,
I ain't gonna
dos,
lie.
tres,
I ain't
y
gonna
cuatro.
He gotta go to C. He gotta go to
get an E.
C.
He
Bro,
get an
but
E,
you
bro.
not gonna lie, bro.
He came out during
had
COVID
that-
too.
that shit
He
kinda
came out during
booming a little
COVID
bit.
too.
I
He came
think
out
he a
during
D,
COVID
though.
too.
I ain't gonna lie. I think he a D.
Yeah, put him a D.
Yeah, I don't think he up there with Tyke.
All right, yeah, he'll
He
do.
gotta be up there with I guess Ralphie. Damn, y'all put Tyke higher than Ralphie.
All right, then we gonna even talk about. He gonna be the first.
That nigga F.
He gonna
That
be-
nigga F.
What?
Who is that?
Swifty Blue. This Swifty
Blue.
Blue. This Swifty
Swifty
Blue.
Blue.
Oh, hell no.
Y'all better put him.
Hey,
Hey, y'all better put him at an S for you get in trouble.
Bro. Yeah.
I give him an A. I don't know what y'all doing.
Trouble.
Hey,
Nigga said he give
Hey,
bad.
he's on here, man.
I
Yeah.
get
All right.
he for sure.
Prince of LA.
I missed out, my bad.
This nigga.
P. Diddy's son.
F, bro.
Dookie.
I look like P. Diddy's son, bro.
Nigga like a. I ain't gonna like a Disney character.
None of his shit.
I never heard. I don't even know who that is.
I heard of him,
Bro,
but I ain't never heard of him.
That nigga like a fake.
All right,
He got a
all right,
fake
y'all.
tattoo on his
Draco the
face.
ruler. Draco the ruler.
That nigga get an F.
He changed the whole LA sound. Jesus.
Top
Ain't,
tier.
ain't nothing to debate about. He changed the whole LA sound.
Yeah, hey.
You dick riding ass niggas better do y'all
Yeah,
own.
Who's that? Hey, bro.
Hey,
Who's that, bro?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Nah,
hey. No, but he's not. Him and Greedo on the same page, bro. He can't.
Yeah, he could be A. Yeah.
You know, him is like the same. Like they both
I got
doing
that.
crazy, bro. Like,
Yeah.
Man,
Yeah.
who is that?
If
Who is
Greedo not
that?
an S, if Greedo not an S, Drake
Who?
is an S.
Yeah.
Bro, you gotta put Draco as an S.
bro,
Nah,
no,
he
he's
a
not.
A. He A.
Hey, but look. Y'all listen. Y'all listen.
He damn near
Fuck
right.
him. Fuck him done. He changed the whole LA sound. That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying.
Yeah, but he can't be no S.
But he
can't
gotta
be
be
no S.
changing the whole city sound though. That's a
S
big
is like
impact.
niggas that's Grammy
That's
nominated,
S.
He made
bro.
rappers,
That's
bro. He
S.
made rappers.
That's
Come on,
S.
Grammy nominated.
That's the hood Grammy Nation though.
Y'all might as well
He
put
went
Chief
from-
Keef as S.
Exactly.
Yeah, he for
He
sure
would be
ass. He would be ass.
nominated.
No, he not.
Chief
Chief
Keef is
Keef is
ass
not an LA
in
rapper.
Chicago. Fuck is you
He
talking
would
about?
if he was in LA.
Weird
In
ass
Put
nigga.
respect on Chief Keef.
He was in LA.
All right, look, we gonna move forward. Look, we gonna move forward. We gonna move forward. Draco was an A. That's fine. All
That
right.
nigga's an S.
Conrad from
Hey,
that. Conrad.
That's a
Conrad.
that's a D.
Give him a D.
All right, get a D.
That's a D.
He had that one good song with OGZ though.
Conrad got a couple
know that.
songs.
No, that's it. That wasn't even his bigger song. His
Yeah,
biggest
that's
song
not
was
his
that.
biggest song.
Yeah, I know.
Wait.
That song too, bro.
So
That's
Stephen G.
my favorite song.
Stephen G is better than Conrad.
He's
Yes.
bigger.
All right.
He's bigger for sure. Yeah, he is.
All right,
I mean,
Treyway
more people,
6K.
more-
Treyway
Hey, that's what we
6K.
needed.
That's D.
Treyway, he goes down
He
to
had Baby Stones.
E,
Where
right?
Baby Stones at? No, he
That's
had
a
he had E. Where Big Sad
I
at?
say he is
Yeah,
C.
you gotta put him at E.
Oh God, I give him an E.
Hell
Oh,
no.
God.
C. What the fuck?
Oh yeah.
E.
E.
I
All
never said
right.
C.
All
Who the
right.
fuck said a C?
My bad.
Nobody.
Who said
I can't
that?
hear it.
Who said that?
Nobody. Y'all can't hear it, nigga.
All right, R3 the Chili Man.
Oh my God.
Going down.
C. I give him a D, man. Give Chili Man a D.
D.
Bro,
That's
give
a
R.
D.
Man, he going dumb. He going C, bro. He going dumb.
Man,
He
give him
had
a
not.
C.
How?
How? What you mean how?
How?
What you mean how?
How you up there with Tyke and Rimbo?
Bro, he's at a D, bro.
Give him
You're
a
not
D,
going
man.
crazy.
He did enough yet, man. He did enough.
How you niggas producers and y'all putting him at?
Bro,
Yeah,
he
that's
didn't
the
get
D.
enough, bro. Rock and roll ain't that
Get
big.
enough, bro.
Yeah,
Rock
All
and roll
right.
ain't that big.
He a D. He a D.
Bro,
he a D.
nigga, I got songs with more than rock and roll. Nigga,
All
what the fuck you talking about?
right, y'all. He a D. He a D.
That
I
means
feel like
I'm
he.
supposed to be up on him then,
But
I guess. What the fuck?
I feel like he was better than Frosty in his prime and R3 prime right now.
Hell no.
Hell no.
I feel
All right,
like.
next person.
All right,
Next
next.
Frosty was going dumb, bro. We
All right,
ain't gonna
one
talk
take.
about Frosty.
One take.
What they get a B?
B.
Man, give
He a
him a
B.
C, bro.
He a B for sure.
C.
He a B. He going down.
I ain't gonna lie, he did that hello one.
He did a lot for
B.
my mama and daddy was banging him. I ain't gonna lie.
Me, hello was stupid. Hello was stupid. So yeah.
Yeah, he get a B, man. You gotta give him a B. He did a lot.
His own name.
That's my
bro.
boy. Yeah, he should be.
We don't give a fuck about him being your boy.
A lot of niggas know that nigga too.
All right,
God,
look.
if that's your boy, fuck it. Put my
Savvy
brother.
third, like
Savvy third.
He like a
Savvy
C.
third. He get a.
Third.
Give him a D.
Yeah, D.
I'll give him a D.
Frosty in them, bro.
I mean, it's not really songs that people can sing.
He got signed
about
to
that
Cash
nigga.
Money, bro. He got signed to Cash Money.
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
What did that
He a
mean though?
C or D?
He a D. D.
All right.
D.
He all right. Y'all gonna do my nigga like that.
Damn,
bro.
that D list getting long.
Joe Moses.
Ace really fuck with
Yo, Moses get a B.
Joe Moses get a B. I'll give Joe Moses a B.
I
That nigga
Joe
had-
Moses up there. He
He
for the
had,
bitches.
he had a couple songs.
I respect
City on
that.
Lock back in the
I
day.
I respect that.
Ooh,
Oh
for the
God.
I respect.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't even know we had this many artists.
All right. S5.
That's Baby Stone, right?
That's
Oh,
S5.
that's S5.
That's
S5.
I don't know who
Look
that
at
is.
down there with Chili Man.
He had
wherever
the
Chili
same
Man
God,
is.
put him
wherever
on R3.
R3
He right here,
I feel
man.
like R3
He
supposed to be
a
an
E.
E.
Yeah, he had a E. He had
He had
a
an
E.
E.
T5.
All right, ASM the Bobster. Oh wait. Oh,
you
I'm
just
supposed to do
skipped
T-Fly.
T5.
My bad.
I ain't gonna lie, T-Fly
He
had
probably like
that
an
motherfucker
A, bro.
booming. Yeah, A.
I ain't gonna lie. Hey, gang.
ASM get up.
All right, look. T-Fly.
Hey.
T-Fly get an A.
T-Fly get a.
He get a B, bro.
T-Fly
He get a
B,
B.
bro.
He get a
Yo,
B.
T-Fly another one that had City on Lock.
Yeah,
not gonna lie.
we
He
know
had
that.
City on
That's
lock,
good. All right,
bro.
bro. That's good.
He get a B. He get a B.
Be good enough though.
Man,
He
put
was up there with
ASM
Joe
Bop
Moses.
on D.
Man, ASM Bach get an E.
Oh,
nigga.
He ain't
Jesus.
even did
Nah,
that.
never.
He in the
Hey.
same.
OG get an A.
Oh, G
Yeah.
get an A.
Jeezy.
He did it for the
Jeezy get
Mexicans.
a Jeezy get an A because
Yeah,
he
he
got
got
the
an A.
Mexican
He
crowd
got the
and
Mex-
the black
Yeah,
crowd
he got
on
the
lock.
They-
shit down,
look,
locked
look.
down. Them
He
niggas
was the
love
first
it.
one to step in.
He opened the door for the Mexicans. He opened the door for the
Yeah.
Mexicans.
He did.
He the only
Yeah.
one that did that shit.
On a different level
Hey,
because
the list
the Mexicans had some other shit. He
I ain't
opened
gonna
it
lie.
in that way.
All right, look. ASM Bop.
He get
ASM
a
Bop.
Oh, God, put him with
know
Big
that.
Sad and them, bro.
He get a
He
E.
was big sad
Put
in
him
him. He
with
was
Big
big
Sad
sad
and
in
them.
him.
He would
E,
be sad.
yeah, he with the E.
Where Big
E,
Sad and
yeah.
them at?
Probably a D. I ain't gonna lie. Give him a D.
Yeah,
Man,
D.
no,
Oh,
give him a D, bro.
Yeah,
Give him
nah.
a D.
I ain't never
I don't
really
think
heard him.
he
I ain't
is.
never heard of him. I ain't never heard of him.
ASM Bach, he
Yes,
hard,
you
but
have
He a
heard
D.
him, bro.
He a D.
I like the way he moves.
I don't
That's on
think they're
Ace.
D.
I ain't gonna
All
lie.
right,
he
the
a
last-
E, gang. Don't give him a D. Don't do that. You gotta go
Wait,
to E.
so y'all feel
Oh,
D? I feel like he a D, bro. He a D, bro. He got
What?
good music.
God, he a D.
He got good
Bro, he
music.
haven't did enough, bro.
He
Haven't
got
hit
good
2 mil?
music, bro.
Have you hit 2 mil
Bro,
on
he
YouTube?
just came
Hell yeah, he did.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, he did.
That's ain't fair, bro. That's
He
fair,
up there with
bro.
YS, he up there with Jubilo, he up there with
Yeah, he up there with all of them for
he up there
sure.
with
Bro, that's fair, nigga. That's
Yeah, that's
fair.
fair.
Oh,
That's
God, that's
fair.
fair,
All
bro.
right,
That's
look.
not even biased or nothing.
All right, move
All
on.
right,
Move on to the next one.
all right, this last one, HBK Jockey.
Is he from
I,
LA?
Oh,
I
that's the
give him.
nigga. That nigga. What's his name? Be always doing his
D.
videos. He hard. He like a D.
He
Oh,
hard.
God, he hard.
He like a D hard. He like a D. He like a D.
All right, there we done, bitches. All right, y'all. This is the tier list right
Is Lil
here.
Yates on
Hey,
there?
zoom in on that shit so we can see it
Hey,
all the way.
Is Lil Yates on
HBK
there?
Jockey is from the east side, huh?
You missing
Nah, hell
people.
no.
Who am I
Lil
That's the
missing?
Yates.
nigga.
Who am I
Ain't that the
missing?
nigga that be with what's the
Lil
other nigga's
Yates.
name?
Hey, you need to let everybody know it's all love, man. It's all love.
It is all love. We just all giving our
Lil
opinion.
Yates.
Is this all LA or just like
Really,
Nigga not from LA. That
this
one
is
nigga.
like,
California?
this is
It's
like,
not even all LA.
no,
But the
this is
IE
just
is
like,
considered the LA County, so it's the
Yeah,
same shit.
it's the
Yeah,
Okay,
same
so we
shit.
can't put
So
Yates in there?
y'all said
who?
what?
All right.
But
No,
yeah,
he's from up north,
Yates,
bro.
he not
Jockey
from
objects
LA.
to the list.
I know,
Yates
he's
from
from
up there.
Sac. He's from up
Nigga,
north.
this
Hey, look, hey, look,
Nah,
hey,
we ain't
look,
doing no up north.
hey, look,
Yeah. No,
hey,
he's
look.
from Sac.
Yates Oakland, right?
Hey, look, listen.
Yeah, that's up north.
If a
That's
nigga
why I
not on
said-
this list, I ain't never heard of him.
Lil Yates went crazy, but he's not.
I heard of him, but he ain't on the list.
You probably got to throw Bravo on there. I ain't gonna lie.
You said
You gotta
who?
put some niggas on there, though. I ain't gonna
You
lie.
forgot
Bravo.
Bravo.
Lil Yates passed away.
You forgot Bravo
Yeah.
the bag chaser.
Yeah, my nigga Lil Yates was turned up at the
Yeah.
motherfucking
Lil
Shoreline
Yates.
Mafia concert.
I heard of Bravo. I heard of Bravo.
You talking about San Fran, Ace?
Yeah, remember
RP
San Fran
Yates.
was turning,
RP Yates.
nigga
San
was
Fran lit.
stupid turn.
All right, so look. All right, so look.
Lil Yates was all cash too.
Do anybody need to be moved? Y'all feel like everybody is cool? Where they at?
Let me look.
Take a
Yo,
look.
Rumble or D, bro.
Blueface,
bro. Jabba gotta go to E.
Blueface S.
Hell
Yeah,
no.
Jabba gotta go down, bro. Jabba
Yeah,
gotta
Jabba gotta go to
Where
E.
Job at? Where Job at? Where Job at?
Hell no.
Yeah,
Jabba did not gotta go down. He was going crazy, bro.
Okay,
Where
look,
Job
Ace,
at?
Ace, I'm not gonna lie with you, bro. He got signed with Snoop, but
Bro,
what did
this
he
E
do?
is cool.
What did he do, bro?
I feel like he
What
like
did he do?
Man, he bullshit. He just hit a lick. He bullshit. Put him at that.
Yeah.
put him at